Okay, so next topic po tayo. This is area by coordinates. So, ganito po yan, okay? Say you have three lines intersecting each other. So, meron po tayong mapuform dyan na triangle having the vertices at point 1, point 2, and point 3 and the respective uh, coordinates. Okay? So, now po, masasolve natin to not using Heron's formula kasi pwede natin kunin ang distances then use Heron's, pero pwede po yung masolve using the coordinate method. Ganito lang po gagawin natin. Okay? So, tatandaan natin ng counterclockwise direction. Okay? So, area is always 1/2 of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. It should follow the counterclockwise direction. And since triangle to, three vertices, kailangan natin ulitin lagi yung pinakauna, x1, y1. Kung yan po ay quadrilateral, meron kang x4, y4, uulitin pa rin po natin sa x1, y1. Okay? Ganito po yung sinasabi ko. Determine the area of the triangle bounded by the straight lines. X plus 2y equals to 7. 3x minus 4y is equal to 1. And 2x minus y plus 6 equals to 0. First, kailangan natin kunin ang kanilang intersections using mode equation. Mode equation po is nasa number 5. Mode equation yan. Two equations, two unknowns is number 1. So, lagay lang ang coefficient ng x, that is 3. Coefficient of y, negative 4. Don't forget the sign. And the constant term is 1. Then the other is 2, followed by negative 1, and then negative 6. Dapat po naka-equate sa constant. So, ito po ang intersection ng dalawang lines na to. Negative 5 and negative 4. Negative 5 and negative 4. Okay. Ito pala ang inuna natin sa problem na to. Okay? So, this is 1, 2, then 7, followed by 3, negative 4, then 1. Yan po pala ang inuna natin. So, that is 3, 2. 3, 2. Okay? Isunod natin ay itong dalawa naman. So, papalitan po natin. This is 3, negative 4, 1, to be followed by 2, negative 1, and then negative 6. Yan po yung kanina na negative 5, negative 4. And lastly, itong dalawa sa dulo. So, that is 1, 2, 7, and 2, negative 1, and negative 6. So, negative 1 and positive 4. Negative 1 and positive 4. Okay? So, i-plot na lang po natin siya. Okay? Ito po yung ating 3, 2, followed by negative 5, negative 4, and negative 1, 4. So, ito po yung triangle na tinutukoy. Take note, mahalaga ulit ang counterclockwise direction. So, ito po yung ating equation. So, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Ano ulitin lang lagi yung unang ordered pair. x1, y1. Don't forget yung na. Okay? Pipili tayo ng ating x1, y1, point 1. Kahit sino yan, basta kailangan masunod ang counterclockwise direction. So, unahin na lang natin si 3, 2. So, ang susunod dapat ay negative 1, 4. Followed by negative 5, negative 4. Then, uulitin natin si ordered pair number 1, 3, 4. And parang kukunin lang natin yung determinants, kumbaga. Yung mga pababa minus dun sa mga pataas. So, ito po yun. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus, negative 1 times negative 4 is 4. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. So, ito po yan. 12 plus 4 minus 10. Minus quantity yung mga pataas naman po. So, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. And lastly, negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. Simplify mo na lang yan. Pwedeng sa calc na lang. So, unahin ko na muna ito sa loob ng bracket. 12 plus 4 minus 10. Ito po magiging plus 2 plus 2. Then, plus 20, and lastly, magiging minus, so plus 12 is 40, pero hindi pa po yun ang final answer. Meron ka pang times 1/2, so that is 20. So, ang ating pong area is 20. Okay po? Yan ang area by coordinates. Any polygon po yan.